Ever wondered how to cook a perfect filet mignon? It's a dish that's often associated with fine dining restaurants, but with the right steps and a little bit of patience, anyone can create a tremendous filet mignon at home. Today, we'll be walking through a simple yet delicious recipe that will allow you to do just that. First things first, our steaks need to be at room temperature before we even think about cooking them. So, take your filet mignon steaks out of the refrigerator a good half an hour before you plan to start cooking. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven is preheating, it's the perfect time to season your steaks. Pat them dry with paper towels, and then season both sides generously with salt and black pepper. Now, onto the stovetop. Heat up some olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over high heat. You want it to be almost smoking. Then place your steaks into the hot skillet, searing for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're looking for a golden brown crust to form. Reduce the heat to medium and add butter, fresh thyme sprigs, and minced garlic to the skillet. As the butter melts, spoon it over the steaks and allow the thyme and garlic to infuse into the butter. It's time to transfer your skillet to the preheated oven. Cook the steaks for about 5 to 7 minutes for medium rare, adding additional time if you prefer your steak more well done. Once the steaks reach your preferred level of doneness, remove them from the oven and let them rest on a cutting board for about 5 minutes. This rest time is essential. It allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring your steaks are juicy and flavorful. If you're feeling adventurous, you can deglaze the skillet with a splash of red wine or beef broth over medium heat. Scrape up any browned bits from the bottom to create a flavorful sauce to pour over your steaks. And there you have it, a perfect restaurant-quality filet mignon cooked right in your own kitchen. Pair it with your favorite sides like roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes, and you've got a meal that's sure to impress. And most importantly, enjoy your tremendous filet mignon.